on this forever, man.
Yeah, I know, dude.
Alright, I got coffee. It's all cold. I'm gonna heat this up. Just a sec.
Alright.
Alright. Well, what's going on here? Okay, so that's down. Okay. That's 10 minutes. 1 minute on medium. Oh, where'd my time go? 1 minute. Start. Okay, so the defrost here, it's done by weight. So this is providing that you know how much your defrosted food weighs. Once I hit start there, I'm now waiting 16 minutes. I didn't want that much. My chicken only weighs 0.2 pounds. So that doesn't make any sense. The auto reheat sensor to get food to room that's at room temperature heated, I press 1. It gives me no indication of how long that's cooking for. Same with, say, my food is frozen. Still no indication. If I want to do any of these auto cook sensors here, they're on the inside of the microwave. There's auto cook sensors and auto frozen cook sensors. So what I do here is I have to press a button for cook to correlate with whatever number is over here. Say I need to do broccoli at 7. I press cook up until 7. I have an option for doneness. 1 dot is more, 2 dots is less. On the display, it's a line and another line. So let's assume that this is less done, and still no indication of how long it's cooking for.